Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be me showing you how to transform yourself into a pop art comic character. This is like a last minute Halloween makeup look, best for people who do not like to plan everything in advance and still want to look their best. So let's get started. I'm first going to apply Maybelline Super Stay Foundation all over my face. All the shades, everything is going to be mentioned in the description box below, so you can check that out for the details. Here I'm working on having a very even base for all of the makeup to go on top. I'm then going to highlight my face using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This is going on the highest points of my face so that they show through. Once you apply those white dots on your face, they do tend to wash out your face, you know, hiding your features. So you really have to work hard on bringing out your features beyond those dots. So highlight and contour is the main part. Set everything in place using L'Oreal setting powder. I'm then gonna contour my face using City Color contour palette. I'm going really heavy on contour. You would normally not do such a heavy contour, but as I said, it needs to show through. For my blush, I'm gonna use City Color Be Matte blush in shade Guava. Again, apply loads of it. You will see what I'm talking about once the look is done. So yeah, it's all gonna make sense. I'm then gonna draw all the cartoonish things like the eyeliner, the shadow, the tears, everything. And for that, I'll be using NYX Cosmetics Full Throttle eyeshadow sticks in different colors. They dry down and set as matte shadow, but I still like to set them using some eyeshadow, for which I'm using ColourPop She's a Rainbow eyeshadow palette, just to get that pop of color and everything is nice and even. Drawing the liner, setting it with eyeshadow, then drawing my lower lash line, and then some tears, and everything is going to be set with eyeshadow, as I said. I'm then gonna outline everything that I've drawn using NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink Liner. This is my favorite most liner out there. So pigmented. So you can see I'm drawing everything on using the liner, the eyebrows and the contours of my face, and everything turns so cartoonish once I've done that. So just copy the look as I've shown. Then I have dipped the back of a liner pencil in white paint and I'm stamping on the dots so that they come all in same shape. There's a uniformity in it. So that's one hack you can follow to get those dots. I'm then applying NYX Cosmetics Liquid Suede lipstick in shade Amethyst on my lips. As you guys can make out, everything is so vibrant and so bright, colorful. That's how the pop art characters are. So I'm using every vibrant color as possible, but you can of course switch them if you like. And then outlining my lips using some black liner and some white paint to add on details. I'm then gonna apply some heavy lashes to add more character. I'm using Haina 4 mink lashes in style Barirah. And with that, the look is complete. I hope people like it. I hope some of the last minute babies like me can benefit from it. And yeah, I have more such last minute Halloween makeup coming up on my channel soon, so please subscribe if you haven't already and click on that bell icon. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.